Dual flush toilet fixtures are a sleek and modern way to help your home go green. Before purchasing, let's walk through the pros and cons of these water-efficient toilets. Dual flush toilets give the user a choice of 2 buttons for flushing waste. One button delivers the full 1.6-gallon tank capacity for flushing solid waste. The other button serves up a half flush or 0.8 of a gallon to rid the bowl of liquid waste. Since most bathroom visits only require a half flush, the Environmental Protection Agency estimates that homes can save up to 4,000 gallons of water annually by switching to dual flush toilets. When you use less water, you save money. Equipping your home with dual flush toilets will ultimately lower your water bill and benefit the environment. For guests who have never seen the high and low volume flush buttons, using a dual flush toilet for the first time could cause confusion. On some models, the buttons are not clearly labeled, so be sure to instruct house guests and family members how to flush properly. For years of trouble-free service from your new dual flush toilet, there's no substitute for a professional installation. You can find dual flush toilets at all major plumbing and home improvement retailers in person and online, but be sure to check reviews before settling on one. For toilet installation services, reach out to your local Roto-Rooter branch.